In our previous video, we have discussed about the coastal region of South America, and in this video, we will discuss about physical landscape, some important location and cities of South America. So first of all, if you look at in west, if you look at in western region of South America, you can see one mountain which is called as Andes mountain. Andes mountain. Andes mountain is spread between Punta Galenas to Punta Arenas. Punta Galenas situated in Colombia and Punta Arenas is situated in Chile. And between Punta Arenas and Punta Galenas, Andes mountain is situated. So some important facts are about Andes mountain. So first of all, longest mountain of world, which is spreaded into 7 countries. Second is, it is example of folded mountain. Why it is example of folded mountain? Because it is originated by conversion of Pacific Ocean plate and South American plate. So that's why it is called as folded mountain. Third is, it is second highest mountain after Himalaya. Fourth is, here one peak of Andes mountain is situated, which is known as Aconcagua, and Aconcagua situated between border of Chile and Argentina. Aconcagua. So these are fact about Andes mountain. Here one river you can see, river Magdalena. Magdalena flows into Rift Valley, and it is also important for oil reserve. Rift Valley. So one question is rising, what do you mean by Rift Valley? So if this is land area, if this is total land area in that place, and if some land area of that place have gone to downward due to external or internal or both force, that's valley is called as Rift Valley. So that's why Magdalena flows into Rift Valley, because Magdalena basin have gone downward due to some external or internal or both force. So that's valley become Rift Valley. Here you can see one country, Venezuela, and here you can see one place in Venezuela which is Quibdó. Quibdo. Quibdo is wettest place of South America because of highest rainfall on that place. And Venezuela is important country of South America because of high flavor coffee production and exportation. High flavor coffee production and exportation. So again you can see in south of Venezuela, Ecuador is situated here, and here two peak you can see, Cotopaxi and Chimborazo. Cotopaxi is second highest active volcanic peak, and Chimborazo is another peak of Andes mountain. Also you can see here one place, Quito. Quito. Quito is capital of Ecuador, and Quito is second highest capital of world. So I hope physical in this place, physical landscape you can understand. In this place, which is coastal region of Peru, here guano. In this place of Peru, which is coastal region, it is popularly known for guano. Guano is one type of phosphate, and because it contain phosphate, that's why it used in soil fertilizer. In this place you can see Arica. Some important fact about Arica. Arica is driest place of world. Driest place of world. Arica is rich for gold. Third is, it is called as ghost town. Ghost town because of total extraction of nitrate. Total extraction of nitrate. So that's why it called as so that's why it called as ghost town. In Arica you can see Iquique place. You can see Iquique place. Iquique place. And in Iquique place, one city is situated, which is called as Chiquitamata. Chiquicamata. Chiquicamata is very popular for copper. So that's why Chiquicamata called as copper town of world. Copper town. of world. So this is all about Arica place and south place of Arica. This lake is called as Titicaca. World highest. It is world highest navigable Gable Lake. And Titicaca situated in border between Bolivia and Peru. In this place you can see Lake Popo. It is example of intermontane example of intermontane intermontane. That means if some landscape situated between different type of landscape, that landscape called as intermontane. And why it is intermontane? Because here Andes mountain is situated, which I have discussed, and here Gran Chaco is situated. That's why Lake Popo is situated between Andes mountain and Gran Chaco. That's why it's called as intermontane. Here you can see Bolivia Plateau. Bolivia Plateau. Bolivia Plateau popular for tin deposition and production. So here you can say one peak called as Ojes del Salado. Ojes del Salado is second highest peak of Andes mountain, and it is also second highest active volcano of world. Here you can see Valparaiso. In Valparaiso, world biggest wine industries is situated, because Valparaiso and Santiago situated in Mediterranean climate, and because of Mediterranean climate, juicy and citrus food production is very high, and due to high production of juicy and citrus food processing industries, wine industries are highly developed on that place. If it is Valparaiso, here you can see Santiago. In Santiago, food processing industries in Santiago, food processing industries and wine industries wine industries highly developed. Highly developed. So this is all about Valparaiso and Santiago. In this place of Chile and Argentina, उस Plata Pass is situated, and it is only one region where Andes mountain break down in two parts, southern part and northern part. Now we will discuss this place called as Patagonia Plateau, and Patagonia Plateau also called as Piedmont Plateau. Patagonia Plateau, Gonia Plateau are also called as Piedmont Plateau. Some important fact about Patagonia Plateau. This place of Patagonia Plateau situated in rain shadow region. That's why rainfall least here, and you can say least of 25 centimeter. That's why this place called as Patagonia Desert. It is called as Patagonia Desert. And in this place, here enough landfall for grazing land. Communities based on grassland, and communities are ranching for cattle and sheep. Grassland for cattle and sheep. So this is all about Patagonia Plateau, popularly known as Patagonia Desert. And in northern part of Patagonia Plateau, you can see pampas. You can see here pampas. You can categorize pampas into two categories. First for agriculture. It is largest agricultural land. And here you can see Rosaria, and here you can see Bahia Blanca. And between Bahia Blanca and Rosaria, that region called as wheat crescent, because here high production of wheat, and also agriculture has modernized here. But but in other place of Pampas where rainfall doesn't enough for agriculture, their community is based on ranching. Their community based on ranching for cattle. And because of ranching here, modern slaughter are developed. So these are important things about Pampas. Here you can see Buenos Aires, which is capital of Argentina, and Montevideo. Both capital are developed by commercial grazing. So that's why here you can understand importance of grazing land. Also, first football World Cup was played on Montevideo. In Buenos Aires, Parana River lies. Also, Uruguay River lies on Buenos Aires. It is Buenos Aires. And largest tributary of Parana River, which is called as Paraguay. It is called as Parana. It is called way Uruguay. In Parana River, largest dam of South America is situated, which is called as, if it is largest dam, then called as Itaipu. Itaipu is largest dam of South America, and after Itaipu in Parana River, Iguazu waterfall is situated. Iguazu is largest rainfall. Largest waterfall. It is largest dam. When we talk about largest, that means volume of water, and when we talk about longest, that means we are talking about length. Some important fact about Parana. Parana makes a political boundary between Brazil and Paraguay, and also it makes a boundary between Paraguay and Argentina. And if we talk about Uruguay makes boundary between Brazil and Argentina. Then also makes boundary between Uruguay and Argentina. And if you talk about Paraguay, Paraguay River makes boundary like as Parana River, which is between Brazil and Paraguay, then Paraguay and Argentina. So according to boundary, these rivers are very important. Here you can see Gran Chaco. Gran Chaco. Gran Chaco is popularly known for hunting land because their community based on ranching. So that's why it is called as Gran Chaco. Here you can see Brazilian highland. Brazilian highland. Brazilian highland is very important for South America because of minerals, uh, coal and iron ore in large amount. According to plantation, their coffee production is very high, and due to high production of agriculture, food processing industries, meat processing industries are highly developed there. So it is very important for South America. And if it is Brazilian highland, here one grassland of Brazilian highland is situated, which is called as Campos. Campos is savanna type grassland, and here you can see Mato Grosso Plateau. Mato Grosso Plateau, which is also part of Brazilian highland in northwest region of Brazilian highland. Here you can see Guiana highland. And northern side of Guiana highland called as Llanos. Llanos is basically grazing land. Llanos. So this is all about grassland, and now we will discuss Amazon River. And before discussing of Amazon River, we can discuss here Sao Paulo, which is very important city of Brazil, and here one seaport is situated, which is called as Santos. And Sao Paulo is largest city of Brazil, and not merely Brazil, it is largest city of South America. Secondly, it is called as Manchester because of highly developed textile industries, and Manchester basically situated in United Kingdom. Their textile industries are highly developed, so that's why Manchester called as Sao Paulo called as Manchester because of ready-made cloth. Secondly, food processing industries, meat processing industries are developed. Third is a high production of coffee, and in local language coffee called as kohua. coffee a kahua, coffee a kahua, and field of coffee called as fazenda between Sao Paulo and surrounding its region. Train mainly run for collection for coffee. So that's why train are called as coffee train, a kahua train. And Sao Paulo is also financial and commercial capital of Brazil. Also, I have discussed it is largest city. So these are fact about Sao Paulo. And here you can see Santos seaport is situated. It was developed due to high load in Sao Paulo, and for reduced load in Sao Paulo, Santos seaport was developed. So this is all about Sao Paulo and Santos. Now we will discuss Amazon River. Amazon River basically originate from Peru. In Andes mountain, and it lies on Macaca. Macaca is mouth of Amazon River, which is situated in Atlantic Ocean. Some important fact about Amazon River. Amazon River is largest river of world, and it is second longest river of world after Nile River. Concept behind largest and longest I have discussed. So some important fact about Amazon River. Amazon River is second longest river after Nile, and it is first largest river of world. Secondly, rubber plant was found in Amazon River basin. Nadira is one tributary of Amazon River, which lies into Manaus, Nadira is tributary river of Amazon, which lies into Manaus, and Manaus is the important place for collecting rubber. And Madeira is longest tributary of Amazon. So these are important fact about Amazon River. Here you can see Tocantins River. And Belem is mouth of Tocantins River. In Venezuela you can see Lake Maracaibo. Maracaibo is very important lake for oil reserve. And here you can see Orinoco River. In Orinoco River, Angel Waterfall is situated, and Angel Waterfall is situated Angel waterfall is situated, and Angel waterfall is highest fall of world. So at last we should discuss wettest place of South America, driest place of South America, deepest place of South America, highest place of South America, hottest place of South America, coldest place of South America. So if you see Quibdo, wettest place of South America. If it is wettest, then driest place is Arica. Arica is driest place. Driest place. Here you can see Sacramento in Argentina. Sacramento, Argentina. Sacramento is coldest place of South America. Quibdo is situated in Venezuela. And here you can see Rivadavia. It is hottest place of South America. Here you can see Aconcagua. Aconcagua is highest peak of South America. Here you can see one peninsula which is called as Valdez Peninsula. Valdez Peninsula is deepest place of South America, and it is highest. So I think I have covered all important things of South America for your examination. In our next video we will discuss about the African continent.